Hello, welcome everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. And this is Yemizkitchen. My name is Yemi. I'm the cook here. Today I'm going to be making my croaker fish sauce. What do you need for the croaker fish sauce? Croaker. These are my seasonings that have been portioned. I have the chicken bouillon powder, the paprika, the salt, white pepper, and some allspice. So I'm going to use it to cook. So let's go to the stove. So here I decided to put some more things more than I showed you before. I'm putting my ginger, my puree ginger in the oil. And then my 2 bay leaves. Then my chopped peppers. I'm going to let this and my seasoning. I'm going to let this fry a little bit. Then I put my tin tomatoes, pureed tomatoes. Don't forget, for any African sauce, for it to get thick and beautiful and that red plummy look, you have to use tomato puree. So I'm using my tomato puree. I'm going to fry it till the sourness go, just to cook a little bit for like 5 minutes. Then pepper, the blended pepper that I showed you. Some garlic powder, spoon of paprika, the way you like it. Curry. Just enough curry. Pepper. We don't normally use dill, but I have it. I have it laying around after my cooking. I'm going to use it. Dill is good for fish. I have my sauce and my bouillon powder. Chicken bouillon powder. Now you have to taste now. This is super thick. I'm going to have to add some water and some oil. Leave this to cook for like 20 minutes, but I'm going to add some more because this is super thick. So I added a cup of water until the consistency was so thick. So the stew is done. If you prep your food, your stew should be done within 30 minutes. So I'm putting the fried fish. And another 5 minutes for the fish to suck in of the pepper. So the fish stew is done. It says Yemizkitchen fried fish, croaker fish stew. Done. I really hope you enjoy watching me cook my croaker fish sauce. You can pair with anything. You can pair with rice, you can pair with yams, you can pair with bread, you can pair with beans, you can pair with any carbohydrates. You can put it on your spaghetti or your pasta. This is beautiful. It tastes really yummy. It's yummy-licious. You should try this at home. Well, if you've never seen my channel, if this is your first time on my channel, I want to say welcome. And for those people who have been with me for a while, I want to say thank you so much for being a member of Yemizkitchen clan. I want to say thank you. God bless you. Don't forget to press the notification bell, share, like, press the bell, follow, and interact as much as possible. Ask me questions. Here, my goal is to make things easy, food easy, reachable for anybody to cook, and to make it as authentic as possible. Love you so much. Yemis from Yemizkitchen. I really hope you enjoyed this croaker sauce. Love you. And don't forget, in my channel, happiness is a choice. Be happy. Mwah.